Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara ST-X dual cab ute, stock reference number 5766. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 4th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Bonnet has a slight fold on the right hand front corner with a little bit of surface rust. Factory alloy bull bar, radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirroring chrome, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has a factory sports bar with factory hard lid with all fittings. Left hand tail light, tailgate has 3 small dents, tidy rear bumper, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear door has 2 large dents, right side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right front door has 1 large dent, 1 small dent, right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.